Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we'll show you how to add coolant antifreeze on BMW E65 E66 guys. This one is a 745Li. Always you have to use approved coolant. Okay, right here we got the light that we're running a little bit low. When it's cold, when it's warm, it's fine, but we just need to add some. We'll be doing a whole heating system overhaul with thermostat coming soon on the channel guys. Please subscribe. Let's go to the channel together. We'll need to open the hood now guys. Make sure that the car is cool. Don't drive it when you open the coolant cap, because it will be under pressure. It can spray and cause serious burns. So ours is cold. Okay, we just started for less than 30 seconds to move it here. Okay, you can see no pressure. It doesn't say do not open when hot. Okay, and now you can see there is a min and maximum, okay, on this one. So let me get light so I can show you a little bit better. You can see the diagram right here as well. Okay, this is min and max. So this is not one of those that move up and down like E46, so you need to be just careful, okay, how much you add. This is a pre-mixed, we already pre-mixed the coolant. Okay, so it's gonna take some. Okay, right there you can see probably just a little bit more. Always use gloves, and if you spill some, clean it so it doesn't get stinky. Okay, that's it right there. Do not overfill it, because if you do, what happens, it will build too much pressure and you might blow a hose from the extra pressure or anything like that. So be careful. So that's how you guys do it. Pretty simple procedure, but something that needs to be done and taken care of, because otherwise you might overheat the engine. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.